Okay, everyone, last but not least, we have what's called doing your reviews, or not reviews, but rather doing your research and looking at your search terms report, just trying to get a sense of what keywords you're showing up for and just how to download the report and see the data. And just so you know, in my judgment, I think it's always best for all your manual campaigns, just review it via the via the Amazon PPC interface. However, if you want to download the report, do some deeper digging through your auto campaigns, for example, this is how you would go about doing it. So in this case, typically, this is obviously the very top of the interface for Amazon, the seller dashboard. You have payments, coaching, so forth. I typically go into advertising reports, which is right there. See, I'm already there. You have performance over time, performance by SKU, other ASIN report, campaign performance report. I go to what's called search term report, and this is something they just started doing recently, where you click on that report, finish with that, then you request your report by clicking that button. You have to give it a little bit of time because it does take a little bit of time for it to go through, maybe about anywhere from a minute to 5 minutes. But once that's done, you then download the report. So you come here, you download it. So I already did this like a while back, so I'm just going to show you what this one looks like. So let that go through. See there. I then click on it. Comes up as a TXT file. Again, it comes in as a TXT file starting off. So as I'm waiting for that to come through, come on. Yeah, my computer is really, really slow. But yeah, I mean, you can pretty much, request as many of these reports that you'd like, essentially, which is kind of cool. A lot of different things that you can do with this reporting, which is nice. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. Perfect. So when you first look at the data, you can see it looks really, really weird, right? You can't even read it hardly. It's very, very tough to read. But typically what I'll do is I'll copy all of that information and then I'll paste it into an Excel file. And I've kind of already done this already, but you can sort of from here see all the different terms. It breaks down the match type. In this case, for anything that's an auto campaign, it's already going to be broad. It gives you the actual customer search term itself, the click-through rate, the impressions, the total spend, the average cost per click, the ACOS, all those different things. And I mean, honestly, guys, this is what you do. You kind of, I have a number of different products that I'm running right now, but you go through this whole list, you scroll through it, and you see exactly, all right, well, how are things working or how are things not working? And just so you know, this is the customer search term, which is really cool. This is the actual term that someone typed in, which for me is very, very powerful. These are the terms that I'm advertising on, and these are the terms that showed up. So even if you're trying to think about just the whole bidding process and what do I show up for when I'm bidding for a particular keyword, this is telling you right here. Like for wine, not for wine, but for any of these terms, you can really see exactly what terms you're showing up for ultimately is really the point that I want to make. So that's pretty much it. That's how you download the report. That's really the only main report that you need. I mean, you can certainly go through the other reports if you want, but once you've sort of copied and pasted that data into an Excel file, now you can really see what's successful, what's not, and then just kind of go from there. So that is pretty much it, gang. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you've gotten a lot of insights on how to build your campaigns, how to do research, pull in new keyword ideas, and ultimately use all this information, whether you're a big brand, small brand, private label seller, anyone that's out there that's looking to expand their business. Hopefully this has made a difference for all of you. Thanks for listening. Greatly appreciate it. And I'm sure I'll hear from you guys very soon in the near future. Always feel free to visit us at www.zoncommerce.com. That's ZON commerce.com. Once again, thanks for listening, guys. Talk to you again very soon.